I'm Muskan. I'm a commerce student and I joined this institute 6 years back in class 7. My foundation was very strong and again in 10th and in 12th my result was very good and I scored 95.6% in my 12th. Here teachers and faculty are so cooperative, they are so encouraging, and especially in my 12th, Jatin sir and Vishal sir helped me throughout the year. They were very supportive. I must recommend students to join this institute as this is the best institute in our region, and I chose it, and this institute has changed my results, and the main reason behind my result and my success is this institute only. And at last I want to thank all the faculty members, and I'm glad that I joined this institute and I took the right decision.